Hi guys, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. We are on the final week of the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. Can you even believe it? This is the 20th week. I am so excited that I got through the whole thing. I was concerned that maybe it wouldn't be something anyone would like but it was, and it was I think very successful. I feel like it has been so much fun watching and seeing what everyone else has made. I have had a blast making the items that I have made. And yeah, I think it's been a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments what you think since we're done now, almost. Let me know what you think. And if it's something that maybe you would want to do again in the future, I would be totally willing to do that and see what different combinations we get, right? I think that would be a lot of fun. All right, so make sure that you use the hashtag #SimplyRandomChallenge when you're sharing your creations on social media, and tag me so that I can see them. My hope is that after this week is over and we've finished up, that people will come in and see this later and start doing it, and I'll start finding this hashtag and people tagging me, and it'll just continue on and on. That would be so much fun. But yeah, so let me know what you think. If you want to do it again, the same thing, or if you have any other ideas. I'm going to think about it while I'm recuperating from my surgeries, and we'll see what we come up with. All right, so this is also the video where I need to make sure that I give you all the giveaway details. I will be giving one person all of the items that I made and that Jenny made during the challenge. So Jenny will be finishing up this week doing the process video for me. Thank you again, Jenny, so much. You've been a huge, huge help while I'm recovering, and it's been, yeah, thank you. So for the giveaway, US only, just because of the cost of shipping, I just can't, I cannot do it. However, if you are outside of the US and you really, really, really want to win, that's fine. Just say that in your comments, in a comment somewhere. Let me know that you want to enter, but you also need to let me know that you're willing to pay the shipping. Obviously, I'll cover whatever it would have cost to ship within the US, but anything over and above that, if you're outside of the US and want to enter, that would be your responsibility. And I would need to collect that by PayPal before I could ship the price to you. But if you're in the US, I will cover shipping, even though it has become ridiculous as well. So just keep that in mind. In order to be entered, you need to comment on all of the process crafty videos in the challenge. It's okay if you don't comment on the prompt videos. I'm not going to choose the winner from one of those. I will randomly pick one of the videos. So I'll do a random number generator, 1 to 20, and I'll pick one video to then put into the random comment picker to pick the winner from. So you have to comment, or you won't be entered. And I don't know which video it's going to be, and so you need to comment on all of them if you want to be entered. And you must be 18 to win, or have your parents' permission. I don't think I have anybody under the age of 30 watching my videos, so it's probably okay. But I need to say that. Let's see, what else? Okay, so you have 1 week from today to get all your commenting done. And I will draw the winner a week from today. So today is the 19th of June. I will choose the winner on the 26th of June, which is Sunday. So probably, I don't know, sometime in the morning, I'll close it, and then I'll do the picking of the winners and everything, and then I'll get a video uploaded letting you know. So if you are going to enter, please hit the bell next to the subscribe button down here somewhere, so that you don't miss the giveaway announcement. I have had to redraw many times recently on my recent giveaways because people aren't watching to see if they won. And I really hate doing that. So please just hit the bell. That way you'll get a notification when I do, well, all of the videos that upload, but the giveaway video you'll see, and then you can watch it and see if you won, and then contact me either by email or through Etsy, and you can find all of that in the description box of all of my videos. And you'll have 48 hours from when the video uploads to contact me if you're the winner. So please make sure you're paying attention to when that video comes out, so I don't have to redraw, because that makes me sad. All right, I think that's it. You can find all of that information, all of the, giveaway stuff in the description box below. And you can always ask me questions if you're not sure. All right, so this is gonna be super easy because there's only one card left in every tin and 3 cards in our item tin. So this is super easy. So let's do our theme. I'm just gonna dump it out. All right, so we have insects this week, and our technique, boop, is splattered. That's fun, making a mess. And our color, boop, is orange. Okay. And our 3 items, oops, sorry about that. We have stickers, whoops, cheesecloth, and fabric. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's the last prompts. Oh my goodness, how exciting. I hope you guys have all enjoyed this. I have had an absolute blast. I cannot wait to see who the winner is, and I hope that you're all excited about the giveaway. I'm blown away by the response, and I think you guys are all amazing, and you've all made such wonderful projects. Everybody has come up with something different every week. It's been just so inspiring to see all of the different ways that people have interpreted the prompts. So week 20, guys, I hope you have fun. Make sure that you do all your commenting this week, and then I will draw the winner next Sunday. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, a fabulous week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.